SpongeBob SquarePants! Oh!
They have double-decker train as well in Lithuania. Okay, I guess it's... Okay, so they also have double-decker train in Lithuania. Okay. I see you, I see you. I see you, I see you. Right there. Nice. First time I'm actually seeing a train come to the station from outside. This is the train station, and for my last day I decided to visit another city. So I've got my ticket. I need to go and eat McDonald's because I'm actually hungry. And then yeah, so I'm visiting another city which I think I mentioned. The good thing is, because my flight was, well, not was, is early in the morning, like 3 a.m. I checked out today, so I'm having to drag my luggage around with me everywhere. But luckily, there was like an electronic bag luggage storage over there. So I've just gone and put it over there, paid for it. It was like €3, and now I'm traveling and moving around luggage free. And another good thing is, there's a straight train from here to the airport. So I'm gonna go to the city, come back here, chill for a bit, and take my train. Look at that. Right there, the train to the airport is right there. Straight train to the airport from here, so God is good. I finished my juice. Complete my fasting.
It's the funky sounds of the funky. Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know.